Unlock a faster, more rewarding way to munch on your McDonald's favorites at the Drive-Thru. First things first, grab your smartphone and open the McDonald's app, or download it if you haven't already. Once it's open, you'll see the main menu. Scroll through and tap on the item you're craving. You can customize everything like adding extra pickles, no onions, or swapping your fries for mozzarella sticks. Just tap on the item, make your adjustments, and then hit add to order. Keep adding everything you want. Once your order is complete, you'll see a summary. Now, here's the key part for the Drive-Thru. Look for the select pickup method option. Tap on that, and you'll see different choices. Select Drive-Thru. The app will then prompt you to choose the specific McDonald's location you want to pick up from. It might even show you the nearest ones. Once you've confirmed your location, you'll get a unique order code. This is your golden ticket. So, when you pull up to the speaker at the Drive-Thru, simply tell the employee, "I have a mobile order." Then, they'll ask for your order code. Just give them the code displayed on your app. They'll quickly find your order, hand over your delicious meal, and you're good to go. Not only is this a super convenient way to get your McDonald's fix, but you're also earning points with every order that you can redeem for free food later. So next time you're craving McDonald's, skip the line and use the app for a seamless Drive-Thru experience.